Hello there. Have you ever wondered how some people rise above the crowd and make a lasting impact? The answer is simple. Be so great, you can't be ignored. In the next 3 minutes, let us explore how to stand out in a world full of competition. Why greatness starts with consistent effort. And I'd love to share a small personal example with you. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I am a motivational speaker and interior designer, a poet and an artist, and I love sharing all things beautiful with you. So what does it mean to be so great you can't be ignored? Being great doesn't mean being the loudest or the most talented from the start. It means becoming so skilled, consistent, and reliable in what you do that people have to pay attention. When you commit to excellence, opportunities find you. As comedian Steve Martin famously said, "Be so good they can't ignore you." Your work, your results, and your attitude will speak for themselves. So, let me tell you this little personal anecdote. Early in my career, even though I was doing very well in my interior design work, I was very, very attracted to tribal art and I so wanted to create the awareness. So I used to do these small workshops once in a while. At first, I wasn't sure how it would be received. So I poured my heart into preparing every detail, research, storytelling, and engagement strategies. The result? It wasn't just a successful workshop. It opened doors for collaboration, for client opportunities, and even invitations to speak at national and international events. Why? Because I focused on being the best I could be, even when no one was watching. Have you ever had a moment where your effort was recognized unexpectedly? Why don't you think through this and maybe share it with me? It could be a lovely story to hear. So now, how can you be so great that you can't be ignored? Here are 3 practical steps. First, focus on mastery. Yes, master whatever you do. Aim to be exceptional at it. Whether it's public speaking, coding, or any designing, invest time in learning and refining your skills. 2. Be consistent. Greatness isn't built overnight. It's about showing up every single day, even when it's hard. Number 3, let your work speak for itself. Instead of chasing recognition, focus on delivering results that naturally grab attention. When you're excellent, people notice. So here's your challenge for this week. Pick one thing you're passionate about and commit to doing it so well that it stands out. It could be a hobby, it could be a job, or even a small daily task. And don't forget, greatness isn't about being perfect. It's about being better than you were yesterday. Let me know in the comments what you're working on and let's inspire each other to be unignorable. And yes, if this video has inspired you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and share it with someone who needs a boost today. Thanks for watching. I love you. I believe in you. And I'll see you in my next video. Keep smiling.